As a bookkeeper or someone in the service industry, then isn't it frustrating that your earnings are directly related to providing a service at an hourly rate? So I do bookkeeping, I charge an hourly rate, or even if you do a per service, but you need to be there doing the job to earn your money. Now, isn't it a great idea if you can find something where you can create once and then sell many? Now, I'd always had the idea that that was something that I wanted to do, but it was harder to think of what I could sell or what I could do. I didn't want to do one of these digital marketing courses where you just sell the digital marketing course. They always feel like a bit false for me. So I joined TikTok 18 months ago, and I realised that there are a lot of people on there that struggled to do their bookkeeping, but they weren't earning enough to use the packages that I normally train in, like Sage and Xero. And I had an idea of creating a spreadsheet that would just have some templates in there and all the explanations that people who are self-employed for the first time might need, and also how to manage being an affiliate and all of that in this spreadsheet. So I'd got this spreadsheet, but how could I sell it? Now that is where Payhip came in. I'd already discovered Payhip and was using it to provide a subscription service, but what I can do on Payhip as well is create a digital product that allows it to put it into a marketplace and for people to purchase it. So all I needed to do was do a description in Payhip of what the product was and who it was aimed for, so self-employed influencers. I could attach the spreadsheet in there. I also recorded a short video and had it in there as well that people could download. And then I can get a link that I can share on my social media challenge. I share it online, or I can email it to people, and that allows people to go to this marketplace on Payhip, see what it's all about, pay with either they pay by PayPal or by Stripe, and Payhip deals with all of the finance side of it for me as well. Then they can download the spreadsheet and Bob is your uncle. It has been so easy to do once I'd found something that I was an expert in, one of the product. So why don't you try it? Think if there is a digital product, a piece of advice you could give people. I also now have an anti-money laundering list of all the templates you need and a description on how I do that as a bookkeeper. And then Payhip make it really easy for you to be able to upload it in a way that you can share the link, people can download it, and you can get paid. Simples.
Having given that brief introduction, I want to physically show you how easy it is to set up the digital products on Payhip. You can see that I have several different products showing here. I can see my sales this month, and for each digital product that I have, now the one I've just been talking about is this self-employed side hustle spreadsheet. And you can see I've had 1,275 views, 73 orders, and 550 in sales. It is really, really easy to get in here to manage the products and to get things set up. So if I go to my Manage Products button here, you can see I have got each of my items listed. The Power Hour is a training that I do, and I only list that when I have one planned. I've only run one so far, but again, that's just able to list and unlist really easily. The self-employed side hustle spreadsheet is there as well. The anti-money laundering support pack, I have a system where I offer it for free to people that subscribe to my subscription that's showing down here. So I've got one unlisted, one free that I can send people a share link to, or I have got the one that is listed in the shop here. So let's go and just have a look at the side hustle spreadsheet. It is really simple to upload and add the product. So each year I will want to add a new product that might have any changes for the new tax year. I also have a version of it in XLS for people, or ODS so people on Macs and things like that can download it. But you could be uploading PDFs, you could be uploading Excels, and you can upload videos. So I've also created a video and uploaded it there, and it's just so easy to upload other product files. I can download them to double check myself, I can delete them, I can change the order just by moving this around here. Dead easy. Then I've got my title for the product, my chosen price. I've got a little screenshot product image. Not brilliant, I know, but I just wanted something that was simple. And then down here is the description of what people will see when they come to the shop. So what I'm doing is I'm sharing this link on social media, specifically in the places where people might need a spreadsheet for doing their self-assessment. I've got that all saved there for them. I'm explaining here as well what is in the spreadsheet, what the tips are. I'm saying what you will get for your money. So this is trying to get people to see what they will get. When they pay the fee, the money is taken by Stripe or by Stripe or by, it's gone, PayPal, that's the one, by Stripe or by PayPal. And then the other thing that I've done is, because I am new to this, and this is just a start for me, I'm using the free Payhip. It's free to create, and then I just pay Payhip a commission on each one sold. If you start having something that flies out the door and is really successful, it's dead easy to change that to the monthly subscription service. If you've got high volumes, then you pay a fixed cost every month, no matter how many you sell. But with this, it's kind of no risk, no reward. So it means that if I sell them, I will pay them a small commission, and you also pay a small commission to the payment provider. But if I don't sell any, it hasn't cost me anything, just my time to set it up. So it's so easy to just dip your toe in the water with digital products and not have to worry about how the costs, the upfront costs. You can also set it to beta content, so you can mess about with it and it won't upload it until you have finished. So I've got my description here. I am saying whether it's visible, invisible, or unlisted. So like I said, I have unlisted items for things where I only want specific people that I've sent the link to be able to download it. So I've got that with my free offerings for people that are in my subscription service. I've got invisible, nobody can see the product. So I'm using that for my video courses that I'm doing, so that I only need to switch it on when I know I've got the next course booked, but I'm not having to completely start it from scratch each time. The visible is the one general. When you're ready to go, you're happy with it, you're all sorted, you set it as visible. I also have some advanced options here. The product has different variations, format, version. Because I'm just managing it myself, I haven't bothered to tick that box. You also have the option to say whether it is tax exempt or not. So the products that I'm selling, I am a VAT registered business, and these do have VAT on them. I have chosen to manage the VAT myself just because I'm a bookkeeper. But if you are somebody that isn't used to doing that yourself and you actually want Payhip to manage the VAT for you, they can do that for you as well. Is the product an ebook? You can customize the product category, tax category, so you might need to talk to your accountant or bookkeeper to know that. You can ask people if they can upload a preview file. So if you're doing something that's a really, really long document, you can have the preview file so they can just see a few pages, so they can see the quality before they buy. You can limit the number of times this product can be sold. So what you could do is you could start off with a product on a special offer price and maybe limit the number to 5, 10, 15, how many you want to, just to test the water, see how well it sells. If it's popular, if it's selling well, you could then come to edit it, relist it, up the price, because you know it's working. You can also automatically subscribe customers to a mailing list so you can keep in touch with them. And for software products, generate unique licenses. It's all very easy, and all the help is in Payhip as well for you to see. So I found this a really easy thing to create, just so that I could get going and dip my toe in the water of creating digital products.